Okay, students, by now you should know what a scale on a bar graph is. This graph on your left is the one that we did about the favorite pet earlier. And if you'll look at our scale, which you now know are these numbers that I'm pointing to on the graph, you will see that they're counting by ones. So the scale is 1. It goes up in increments of 1, which means each block is equal to 1, whatever was polled or surveyed or whatever data was collected. We want to show the same data here. That means we want to show that 5 people prefer cats, 8 prefer dogs, 6 for fish, and 2 for frogs on this graph over here, the one on the right. But if you'll notice, the scale is different on this graph. This scale is counting by 2s. That means each block in the graph is equal to 2 people in the case of this graph. So, to show that 5 cats were chosen, we would go up to the number 5. But the problem is we have a 4 and a 6. Well, we know that the only whole number in between 4 and 6 is 5. So you would show it like this. It would be half of a block. So if you counted it, this block would be 2, then 4, then 5, because it's half of a block. For dogs, there were 8 people. So we would count it by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8. And we would stop there with 4 blocks colored in because that represents 8 people. There were 6 people that preferred fish, so we would color in our bar graph up to the number 6, and we would have 3 blocks instead of the 6 over here because someone can look at the scale and see that we're counting by a larger number. So our bars will be shorter. We had 2 people that like frogs as the favorite pet, so we're going to go up just 1 block, but that 1 block equals 2. This is how you can show the exact same data 2 different bar graphs though. The bars on the right graph, you'll notice, are shorter. Not because I drew the graph any shorter, but because my scale is larger. This scale is 1, so the bars are going to be taller.